Hello students, events D and E are independent with the probability of D occurrence is 0.6 and the intersection of D and E is 0.18. So which of the following statements is true? Now since they have said that D and E are independent events, so that means probability of D intersection E should be the product of two individual probabilities, which is PD into PE. So the value of intersection they have given is 0.18 and the probability of D is 0.6. So the probability of E that we got is equals to 0.3. So the probability of E we got is 0.3. Now we'll check out into the options. So the probability of E they have given is 0.12 and 0.4. So these two are not the valid options for this particular question. Now moving on to the identity, that P of A union B is given as P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So if I apply this formula over here, so that means if I'm writing P of D union B, so that should be D union E. So that should be equal to probability of D plus probability of E minus the probability of D intersection E. So probability of D value is given in the question, which is 0.6, plus probability of E we found out is 0.3, minus the intersection value, which is 0.18. So we get the final answer as 0.9 minus 0.18, which is equals to 0.72. So the probability of D union E is 0.72. So option D is the correct answer for this question. Thank you, students.